Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your week two schedule. We are going to move into coursework this week with two discussion board posts. Each one will relate to a reading, a couple of online articles about generative AI. First one will be due on Tuesday, second one on Friday, and then responses on Sunday, as usual. And I might have mentioned it in the orientation video. Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday will be your due dates throughout the semester. So if we take a quick look at the discussions this week, what is ChatGPT is the first article that we'll look at is Sabrina Ortiz's little article from about a year or so ago about ChatGPT and the meaning and what it can do to affect how is it we work, we educate ourselves in many different ways. We can all agree that the area of generative AI is fascinating. So, as I say in the discussion board post here in the instructions, this is an opportunity to use your note-taking skills to write a one-paragraph summary highlighting Ortiz's main points, then respond to what Ortiz has to say. So I offer some prompts here, looking for about a 250 to 300 word discussion board post for the initial post, and then of course the responses. More because of the article in itself, it should be closer to about 300 words would be a good discussion there. Also, another take on this particular topic would be is why we're obsessed with mind-blowing ChatGPT and the AI chatbot. Stephen Shanklin's article here is interesting, a perspective on the use of ChatGPT and other generative AI programs. Both of them kind of focus on ChatGPT, but as we all know, other AI programs have been introduced and developed in the meantime since the writing of these articles. Google has Gemini, there's Claude, Perplexity, all sorts. I think there's several generative AI programs out there. I personally use Gemini because it's integrated into my Google Drive. So you want to take a look at some of that activity. But also, in this particular article, he talks about how ChatGPT will revolutionize education. So you may want to take a real good perspective on that. As always, here we have a summary and then response to the article, all right, and how it affects students and teachers. So it's an interesting article and perspective there. All right, so these are the two posts, as I mentioned earlier in the screencast. Responses will be due on Sunday. All right. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.